You don't want to do my work. Maybe I can play with my slime that I made.
How's the axe?
Look at that guy.
Can I play with your slime?
No, I didn't barely play with it yet.
I'm telling the teacher.
Fine. Here, take it. Don't do anything to it.
You gotta put it on the bed.
No, don't do that. We're in school. Miss Pickett will see it. Give it back.
No. Gosh, she's a mean.
She did not actually tell the teacher. Hold on, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna tell the teacher.
Wait, what? I didn't even do nothing.
You steal my slime.
It is not your slime.
Yes, it is. Look, it's him.
She take my slime. How dare she take my slime? Now she has to
You took our slime.
Really? I didn't do anything.
Yes, you did. Come on, time out now.
No, I did not do anything.
Yes, you did.
Fine, take it.
Here you go. Thank you, teacher.
Hey guys, that's what happens when you take slime to school.
Yeah, that's what happens.
Bye.
Bye. Welcome to our channel.